sugar, spice, and everything nice. These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect little girl. But Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction, Chemical X. Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born! Using their ultra superpowers, Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil! The city of Townsville. And it looks like it's gonna be a calm, peaceful, uneventful day. As long as you ignore the giant ant! Oh, what a sight for sore eyes! The Powerpuff Girls will see to the end of this beast.
Okay, girls, let's give him a power kick to his temple. I'm fine! There's nothing wrong with me! Don't make me come over there! You see?
Okay, Bubbles, I'm just gonna do a couple of tests.
But, Professor, we don't have time! We have to stop the giant ant!
I know, but this won't take any time at all. Okay. Now, tell me what you see.
G, X, L, V, M.
She'll be just fine.
What? What's so funny? Oh, nothing. Nothing? Yeah, nothing. Dork. Dork? I do look like a dork.
Bubbles. Now you know it's not important what your sisters think. Bubbles, you look super.
Yeah, we were just kidding. Now let's get that ant. Come on. Thanks, Professor. Bye. Hi, guys. Oh, what a sight for sore eyes. It's all 4 eyes. I don't need these stupid glasses to be at 100%. I can see just fine. Ow!
Oh boy, without her glasses, Bubbles can't see the forest.
No more trees, no more trees, no more trees. Bubbles! Huh? Where are you? Our lasers are too weak. We need your help. Girls! Girls, where are you? Bubbles! Bubbles! Girls! Girls! Bubbles! Bubbles! Girls! Girls! Oh, thank goodness I found you. Are you okay? Did you stop that giant ant? What's the matter? Why don't you say anything? Oh, I get it. You're too cool to talk to a dork like me, right? Fine! Bubbles! Nope, Bubbles! I'm not listening! Bubbles, turn around! Huh? Come on, put your glasses on and help us! You laugh at me! We will not, now put them on!